Okay, here we are for the last time. This is the extra lesson that some of you wanted to receive, and is going to be factoring trinomials. We know that a trinomial is something that has three terms or three numbers, such as x squared plus 5x plus 6. This trinomial should be familiar to you now, as this is the third video we are using it in. And we know it was the product of multiplying two binomials. So we're doing it in reverse. Now that we have the trinomial, can we find out which were the two binomials that multiplied gave us this? So we know that the two binomials look like this, two parentheses with an x and an x plus and plus. So let's look at the number one step, find the factors of the last number being the 6. So what are the factors of 6? The factors of 6 can be 1 and 6, because 1 times 6 is 6. It can also be 2 and 3, because 2 times 3 equals 6. So these are my two sets only of factors for the number 6. Okay, so we need to choose the set that when we add, and in some cases subtract, but in this case it's all adding. When we add, they add up to 5. So is 6 plus 1 5? No. Let's check the second pair. 2 and 3. 2 and 3. 2 times 3 is 6. And 2 plus 3 is 5. So we solve the puzzle. So my binomial, or my factored trinomial, is x plus 2 times x plus 3. And if we want to check, we can do the multiplying binomials thing, where this is x times x. Let me just do that. X times x is x to the second power. X times 3 is 3x. Then 2 times x is 2x. And remember, 2 times 3 is 6. So now this is when we add the 3x's and the 2x's, and 3 plus 2 is 5. So x squared plus 5x plus 6. Okay, pause your video so I can erase the board and you can take the notes and begin to absorb this new information. Okay, so obviously we need to do this again with another trinomial, and I'm going to pick x to the second power plus 7x plus 10. So we need to go to step 1 again. Find the factors of 10. What are two numbers that when we multiply them gives us 10? So we're going to start with 1 and 10, because 1 times 10 is 10. Okay, that's one set. Sorry about that, but we can still see 1 and 10. The other would be 2 and 5. 2 and 5. So what's the second rule? The factors, the numbers that when we multiply gives us 10, they have to add up to the middle number, which is 7. So which of these two sets will add up to 7? We know that 1 and 10, 10 plus 1 is 11. So it's not that. It has to be 5 and 2. It's 5 plus 2, 7? Yes. It's 5 times 2, So 5 times 2 is equal to 10. And 5 plus 2 is equal to 7. And we solved the riddle. I hope you like this little puzzles. I do. X plus X plus. That's your setting for factoring trinomials. I said factoring. Okay, so X plus 5 and X plus 2, since we found the two numbers that solve our puzzle. All right, and that's it. I'm gonna pause my video to do one last example that we're gonna do together. Okay, for our last example, x squared plus 10x plus 24. So we know the setup. We need the two binomials, where they came from. So this is automatic. X plus and x plus. And now we need to find the factors of 24. So let's go to it. 1 times 24 is 24. Do it with me. What else? Is 24, is 2 a factor of 24? 2 times what will give me 24? 2 and let's see, I don't remember, but 24 divided by 2, I do remember. 24 divided by 2 is 12. Yeah. So 3, I think, and 8. You see how your timetables are the basis for everything. If you don't know the timetables, everything is going to be difficult. So go back to those if you need to, or have a calculator handy and have at it. Okay, so 3 and 8. 3 times 8 is 24. What about 4? 4 and what gives me 24? 4 and 6. And 5, no. So 6 is already here with 4. So we found all the factors of 24. We have plenty. So this middle number could be, it could have been 25. So anyway, so we found the factors of 25. Now we need to see which factors add up to 10. 24 plus 1 is 25. That's not it. 12 plus 2 is 14. That's not it. 8 plus 3 is 11. That was close, but it's not 11, it's 10. We're looking for 10. And finally, 4 and 6, they add up to 10 and they are factors of 24. So 4 plus 6 is 10. 4 times 6 is 24. So that solves our factoring. And you're already doing Algebra 1 heavy duty work. X plus 4 and x plus 6. So the hardest part was factoring, which is a third grade, I think, fourth grade the most concept. So let's verify this in case we made a mistake. X times x is x squared. And then x times 6 is 6x. 4 times x is 4x. And 4 times 6 is 24. Adding these two middle terms, we get x squared plus 10x plus 24, which is exactly what we had to factor. Okay, so very good, that's it. Now, hold on. So thanks everybody for being so good at studying and completing your assignments. I just wanted to show you the place I am staying at, right? Look at my back view and you can see I'm in the middle of the woods. So to end the video, I'm going to create a class that you can that you can join in Edmodo, and I'm not going to delete or save that class. I'll keep it open. So if you guys have any questions, or just want to say hello, you can still message me via Edmodo when I create this class. And I'm probably going to post it together, the code to enter my class to at the same time I post this video. So it's been a pleasure. Congratulations for you guys moving on to high school. I wanted to say goodbye in person, but it's better to be safe than to be sorry, as always. And I wish you the best. Thank you for following me and my videos. Okay? Until later.